Gear review. It's Superbike Mike, back with another video. This one's going to be a little bit different about my gear and what happened during a low side. It was a 15-20 mile an hour low side, bad conditions, 40 degrees temperature, cold tires, damp conditions. The bike was, this bike is super capable, but the conditions and everything in the old tires made it not capable. And I was trying to make a light, went for it. Guess what? I embarrassed myself. But good thing, I could have been seriously hurt. I could have had insane road rash all over me. But guess what? Fuck you, Fly. I wear good gear, and the good gear saved me. And I hope this video inspires you to pick up some good gear, not only for yourself, but for your motorcycle. Stay tuned and enjoy. This is my Dainese textile mesh jacket. It's got like mesh in the front in some areas for breathing. Looks great. I fell on my left side, so here's the elbow. That's where I made the impact with the ground. Not too much damage. I think everything was minimal because it was wet, but the impact was heavy. This jacket has level 1 armor in it with a level 2 back protector. Here's the backside, and this is kind of where I slid. It's just a little discolored, but no tearing. Seams are good, just a little bit of discoloration. Otherwise, this jacket held up fine, and I plan on riding with it. Okay, so here are the Knox hand-drawn gloves. These gloves are one of my favorite gloves. They offer extreme protection on the wrist and palms. And basically, they're designed to slide with the plastic sliders all over the glove. You can see some damage on the finger, and you saw some damage on the Knox palm sliders. You also saw some damage right here on the wrist protector, which held up great. Overall, I can't complain. These gloves saved my ass completely. Since I'm a novice, I went down like hands first, classic bracing myself, which, you're not really gonna ever practice unless you continuously go down or you practice drills of going down. So the gloves did their job. I plan on replacing them maybe next season. Otherwise, they held up great and I'd recommend them. Here are my beautiful Dainese boots, which unfortunately I got a chunk of leather missing out of the toe. And I have to say, they held up really damn good. The boots slid, I had no ankle injuries or anything. They felt like I was on ice, to tell you the truth. I just have a little bit of tearing, but no big deal. I think these boots are structurally sound and can go for many years. The only thing, like I said, is that little chunk right there. Oh well, it is what it is. If I was wearing a normal boot like a Timberland or something, I'm sure my foot would have gotten squished and rug burned and this or that. Definitely not good. These boots just slid and took it like a champ. It really pays to have good quality products. And these Dainese boots just did the job perfectly. Slid on the ground, had no issues, feet were fine, ankles were fine. Coming up last but not least are my Tribolite pants. Level 2 armor in the knees and hips. These things held up great, considering I was sliding on my ass. The only damage this piece took was to the belt loops. The tail has minor scratching. The frame slider is a bit roughed up, about maybe half an inch off. And last but not least, the engine cover is broken, along with the cracking frame. Gear review. You made it to the end of the video. Congratulations. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content.
You say